Well, you tell me about Mr. Popeye.
Mr. Popeye, used his sperm, used mommy's egg.
To do what?
To make a baby.
What baby?
Ellie.
That's right. Tell me all about it.
An embryo.
What'd the doctor do with the embryo? Where'd the doctor put the embryo? Here, put your cup down so I can hear you. Put it where?
Right in mommy's uterus.
And then what happened? Did it grow?
It grew.
To be?
Be Ellie.
And then what happened?
Mom pushed
Uh-huh.
Ellie out mommy's uterus.
Out in my uterus through my...
What's that?
You remember.
Vagina.
That's right. That's right.
Vagina.
That's right.
Oh.